The 2026 Great Wall Motors King Kong Cannon automatic pickup, priced at 100,000 renminbi, was officially unveiled at the Great Wall Motors Jingmen Smart Factory. The new vehicle quickly gained market recognition thanks to its comprehensively developed core features of easy to drive, easy to operate, and hassle-free. And terminal orders continue to grow, creating a best-selling market launch and further demonstrating its exceptional appeal as a moneymaker in the pickup world. The King Kong Cannon features a 2.0T diesel/gasoline engine paired with an 8-6MT powertrain. The 2.0T engine has been used in over 1 million units worldwide, ensuring reliability, economy, and efficiency. The diesel engine delivers a maximum torque of 400 Nm, while the gasoline engine produces 360 Nm, leading its class in torque per liter, making hill climbing and cargo carrying effortless. Equipped with the ZF8 transmission, one of the top 10 transmissions in the world with over 10 million units sold worldwide. Shifts are as fast as 0.3 seconds, delivering smooth shifts with a transmission efficiency of up to 98%. It also uses high-performance lubricants and is maintenance-free for its lifetime, saving you time and money. With a best-in-class minimum turning radius of just 5.95 meters, it easily handles U-turns and corners on narrow roads, significantly improving efficiency. All automatic transmission models come standard with the latest generation ESP stability control system, which integrates 15 functions, including ABS/EBD, for comprehensive safety. Standard features include automatic parking and an electronic parking brake. Electronically controlled controls simplify starting and parking, prevent rollback and nosedive, and quickly transform novice drivers into experienced drivers. All models also come standard with four-wheel disc brakes, providing superior heat dissipation and braking performance, and a braking distance of just 40.2 meters at 100 kilometers per hour ensures safer braking. The flatbed model, with 6 leaf springs instead of 5, increases load carrying capacity by 20%, providing balanced support even with heavy loads. All models come standard with 10 cargo bed rope hooks for easier cargo securing. The rear cargo bed tow rope diameter has been increased to 8 mm, increasing tensile strength by 30%, achieving a pulling force of up to 8,000 newtons with a single rope. The new vehicle features a 20 mm higher stance and a minimum ground clearance of 236 mm, improving chassis clearance and providing a more impressive and coordinated stance. The low cargo platform design reduces the cargo box's ground clearance by 10 mm, making loading and unloading easier. Models equipped with a transmission come standard with a 10.25-inch high-resolution display and rearview camera, while the flagship model features a passenger car-grade connected vehicle system that supports smart voice control, navigation, WeChat, TikTok, and other functions, providing a user experience similar to that of a passenger car. It features a high-strength trellis-type body structure and a reinforced chassis design with a wide cross-section. High-strength steel, which makes up over 98% of the chassis structure, has the widest cross-section in its class, providing stronger load-carrying capacity and enhanced safety. The vehicle has undergone 1,728 hours of intense corrosion testing and a 1,000-hour salt spray test, far exceeding national standards, and is guaranteed for 5 years of corrosion resistance and 10 years of corrosion resistance. Equipped with components from world-renowned manufacturers such as ZF, Bosch, Autoliv, and BorgWarner, it guarantees the highest level of quality and reliability. Additionally, by leveraging Great Wall Pickup's nationwide network of over 2,000 sales and service locations, 2026 King Kong Cannon users can enjoy efficient and convenient after-sales service, minimize operating costs and time, and ensure a smooth entrepreneurial journey.